How to create an animated post for social media. We will create in Adobe After Effects and will draw some graphics from Illustrator, just like background and one circle, which have minor quantity of gradient. On first step, we will import background's AI file as a footage in After Effects and will make new composition. Check the composition setting carefully. Our width and height, frame rates, and default settings are basic setting of this panel. After the confirmation of composition setting, we are sure to start working on our task. Secondly, we will import the circle drawing from our project folder as a composition selection. If you import simple footage, then you will create pre-composition later. Drag and drop this on timeline. One more track has been added on our timeline. Now we will go to Effects and Presets panel and search Shatter. Drop and drag into round-shaped drawing track on timeline. On left side, Effect Control panel has been activated. We will make some settings here. Make the view setting as rendered. Go to Shapes and select the setting as Custom. Now choose Custom Shatter Map as source file. Our source file name is Foundation at this time. We will select this. Select Force 1 now, make all readings 0, 0. Increase depth of 3D object here. Open camera position and make -85° angle in X-axis. Now, depth of object is showing clearly on screen. Open the texture now and select Side Mode. Convert into color. Set color as dark red. This is depth color. You can choose any by your choice. Next we choose Lighting. Select light type as first comp light. Set 1 as ambient light. Now you can set texture color shade again, according to object color shade. Select layer as 3D. 3-dimension side will be activate. Drag down object by help of green arrow. Make duplicate layer of 3D object. Set by help of arrows and setting panel. In next phase, import a PSD file of shoe as a composition setting and press OK button. Drag and drop on timeline. Set its position and rotation now. Similarly, we can add text by help of PSD or AI file. We add one PSD design file and set it on top of our design. In last, we will learn a new plugin named CC Cylinder and use it to make our designs more beautiful. We will make a strip design in Illustrator and will apply Cylinder plugin. strip design into After Effects as a new composition. Drag and drop on timeline. One more layer has been added now. We will go to Effects and Presets again and search CC Cylinder. Apply this effect on Strip's layer. Simply, Strip has been converted into ring shape. Now we'll make its setting by help of Effect Control Tray. We can increase the size of ring by help of radius setting and can make the angle moving by help of X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. Now make initial keyframe and final points for rotation the ring. Make a duplicate of ring layer and set the render setting. One layer will be outside and second will set as inside. We have discussed about this setting already in this recommended video. You can watch this in detail for further details. Observe this. Strip ring is moving around shoe. We can animate one by one all segments of designs with the help of keyframes. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please subscribe and like my channel also. Thanks for watching.